and ever wonder what happened to the magic of those heartwarming family dramas. The shows that just felt like a hug. Um, for many, uh, filled that space. Um, but nearly 2 decades after its finale, a void remained. TV has changed a lot since then, hasn't it? Bigger budgets, longer waits between seasons, that something was missing. HBO Max seems to have recognized this. They're shifting gears, aiming for more frequent releases with modest budgets. They tested this approach and it worked. Now they're looking to replicate that success with uh, a new wave of shows. Two pilots were ordered, each with a unique story. One is a police drama, but it's the other that has fans buzzing. Um, it's a family drama called And It Feels Like Coming Home. Uh, the show follows adult siblings and their father as they navigate life after loss in Los Angeles. It's a story about grief, healing, and finding your way forward. Uh, Sound familiar? It should. Explored similar themes, but in a small Colorado town. Um, a doctor, Andy Brown, moved his family to Everwood after tragedy, and they rebuilt their lives together. This new show feels like a natural evolution, um, and it's a full circle moment for Greg Berlanti, the creator of Yak. He's gone on to produce huge franchises like and films like, but he's returning to his roots. Uh, the biggest difference, featured children, while focuses on adults. It's as if we're watching like the Brown family kids grow up facing new challenges and finding their own paths. And the pilot was written by Berlanti, Ash Doran, and Brian Rogers, who will also executive produce alongside Sarah Schechter and Lee London Redman. It's still early in development. Announced only a month ago, but the creative team is already strong. What they say about grief, it's like trying to parallel park a boat. It's messy, and you're probably going to hit something. Hopefully, this show navigates those waters with the same grace and heart as. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,